Well, I do believe that we got our filters. These were 45 bucks, or 40 something bucks on Amazon. So let's go put them in. So let's unbox them. See what we got. We got 3 of them. It does come with some instructions. And all we got to do is get them out of the box. Here we go. Oh, that did not work. All right, we're going to do it this way. I'm just going to pick it up, let them flop out. That's it, right there, done. All right, so I'm going to take them upstairs, and we'll go ahead and we'll put these in the cold air return up there. The name of the company, and these are 17.5s by 17.5. There's the phone number. There's the name of it. Let's get it done.